Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into an interesting geometry problem. We have a right-angled triangle with a height of 16 and a base of 24. There is a square placed inside the triangle such that one of its sides lies along the height, another along the base, and its top corner touches the hypotenuse. Now the question is, can you figure out the area of the square? Take a moment to think about it. Let's walk through the solution together. Suppose the side length of the square is x. That means the vertical segment above the square is 16 minus x, and the horizontal segment to the right of the square is 24 minus x. Now, focus on the two yellow triangles. They share the same angle, and both are right-angled triangles. Because of this, they are similar triangles. So we can write the proportion. 16 minus x over x is equal to x over 24 minus x. By cross-multiplication, we can write x squared is equal to 16 minus x times 24 minus x. Now, multiplying the right-hand side, x squared is equal to 16 times 24 minus 24x minus 16x plus x squared. Simplifying this, we get 48x is equal to 16 times 24. So, x is equal to 16 times 24 divided by 40, which gives us 9.6. Substituting this value, we find the length of the square is 9.6. Therefore, the area of the square is 9.6 squared, which equals 92.16. So, the area of the square is 92.16, and that's our answer. But wait, before you go, here's one more challenge for you. Can you find the area of the square in terms of A and B? Think it through and drop your answer in the comments below. Let's see who gets it right. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.